Ready to skyrocket your Wix website's visibility on Pinterest and unlock a treasure trove of valuable analytics? First, head over to your Wix website editor, locate the settings icon on the left-hand side of your screen, and give it a click. Scroll down the settings menu until you see SEO Google. Click this to open your SEO settings. Now, look for the Advanced SEO tab and click on it. This is where we'll add the Pinterest meta tag. Under Custom Code, you'll see a section called Head Custom Code. This is where you will paste your meta tag that you will get from Pinterest. Now, switch over to your Pinterest business account, click on the settings icon, then find and click on Claim. You should then see the option to claim your website by adding HTML tag. Copy the unique meta tag that Pinterest provides. It will be a string of letters and numbers. Go back to your Wix SEO settings and paste the meta tag you copied from Pinterest into the Head Custom Code section. Make sure you paste the entire tag and then click Apply at the bottom. Don't forget to hit Publish on your Wix editor to make sure the changes go live on your website. Return to Pinterest and click the Submit button to verify your website. It might take a few minutes for Pinterest to recognize the meta tag. Once verified, you'll see a check mark next to your website URL on your Pinterest profile. Congratulations! You've successfully claimed your Wix site. Now, take some time to optimize your Pinterest profile with a clear profile picture, a compelling bio, and boards that showcase your website's content. This will help you attract more followers and drive traffic to your Wix site. Happy pinning!